So guys, in this video we'll be doing the year of the rabbit room from TryHackMe. So IP address is 10.10.202.13. So let's copy this, and I have already run the nmap scan to save some time. And you can see FTP port open, SSH and web server. So let's try for anonymous login. So let's exit this. So we don't have the anonymous access. So we have the Apache default page. Press Ctrl U and search for any juicy content like usernames. So there is no any juicy content. After running the GoBuster, you will have only one folder, that is assets. So the first one is a video, and the next one is CSS file. And you can see there is a comment in CSS, and you have a secret page called super secret flag.php. So we missed this one, that is robots.txt. So okay, there is no robots.txt. So let's go to this. So word of advice, turn off your JavaScript. So let's click on OK. So it's directly redirecting to the YouTube website. Okay, let's open this in the burp suite. Let's capture this. Turn on the intercept on. And now let's get this. So this is the get super secret flag. So right click on this, do intercept the response to this request. So we can see what is going on actually. So forward this one. So 302 found. So we are going to be redirected. Get canonical, this is Firefox. So get intermediary.php, hidden directory is this one. So there is a hidden directory for this. So you can save that in the text file. So now forward this one, get success. I think it's Firefox. So get super secret flag. And what it's doing, I think it's now redirecting to this YouTube. So you can just simply close this and go to this secret directory. So we have a image file. So let's save this. I think we need to apply the strings. So we have some. So you can see you have on this username for the FTP is FTP user, and one of these is the password. So you can copy this one, copy all the content, and you can save this in a word list. I have already saved this FTP word list. So this is the same exact word list. So we can now use the Hydra. Username is FTP user and the password take from the FTP word list, and FTP : / the IP address of the machine, that is this one. So now run this and you should get the password. So now we can see we got the password. Copy this one. Let's go to and login FTP user and paste the password. ls -la, and we have the Elise creds.txt. So I have already got this one, so you can say Elise. So this is some cipher. This is called BrainLock cipher. So copy this one. So you can search for BrainLock cipher decode and paste this and execute this one, and you can see we get the passwords. Every password is this one, we have what ports we have opened. So whenever you have one credentials, you try to log in into all the ports possible. So first is FTP, array and the password. If I say ls minus array, we get the normal directory. That means we can directly log in into SSH using array at the rate. I always forget the IP address, and paste the password. So you can see we got the initial foothold, and it says one new message from root to Gwendoline. So maybe Gwendoline, maybe another user, home. So you can see there is another user, Gwendoline. I am not happy with you. Check your read secret hiding place. I have read you hidden message. Okay, you can also I tried another privilege escalation method, but it did not work out. If you type ID, you can see there are so many groups the array is part of, and one group is video. So what you can do is, if you are video group, cat hc dev fb0, so you can capture, first type w to see number of users. So there are 2 users, and if there is another user logged in as a screen, you can see the tty as a tty shell. If another user is logged in like a graphical user interface, then what you can do is you can dump the screenshot of that user into some like say screen.raw. So you can transfer this one to your Ubuntu, and you can use the tool called GIMP. So you can easily install the GIMP, and you open that file in this GIMP, and you can see the some juicy information. So but here they have given some secret hiding place. So let's use the find iname secret type directory. I think it's hiding place, right? I think it's maybe a directory or a file. Okay, let's see this one. I think it's normal. I think it's not our file. Let's change this to S3. Okay, now you can see there is a USR game secret. Let's see whether it's so I think it's folder. Let's go. So we have the Gwendoline user's password. This is this one. So copy this one. Su Gwendoline. Paste the password, and you can see we are the Gwendoline. So since we have the password, let's list our permissions, and we can see we can execute vi user.txt, but not as a root user. So you can see not root. So by this I have identified this, it's sudo vulnerability. So we have the sudo vulnerability. So you can also run the lint piece. It says 1.8 less than 27, and you can see if user have this access not root, so you can bypass this using the user #-1. So run this as #-1 and corresponding binary, you will get the root. Okay, so what you can do is sudo #-1, and you can simply copy this one and paste this. So we will be running as a root user and we will not get any password prompt. So if you run this, and you can see we got one flag. So this is the normal user flag. So this VI is opened as a root user. So what all you can do is press colon and not bin sh. So now you can see we got the root. Who am I? Root. cd root, and we can get the root.txt. So this is nice privilege escalation based on the pseudo vulnerability. So this is all about the year of the rabbit room. So we need to focus on what we are seeing. Sometimes even in the style.css flag we will not style.css file we will not see sometimes. So slow and steady wins the race.